Hello everyone, welcome back to the map of mathematics. In this video, we are going to solve this nice math algebra problem. And here we have square root of 1 plus square root of 2 plus square root of 3 plus square root of 4 plus square root of 5 divided by 2 times of square root of 2 plus square root of 3 plus square root of 4 and plus square root of 5 plus square root of 6 plus square root of 8 plus square root of 9 and plus square root of 10. So here we simplify this whole radical expression and we get the value of this nice fraction. So here first we focus on the denominator of this expression. So first we will take or first we simplify its denominator, and after that we put the value of this denominator in this equation and we get our final answer. So first we take its denominator as 2 times of square root of 2 plus square root of 3 plus square root of 4 plus square root of 5 plus square root of 6 plus square root of 8 plus square root of 9 plus square root of 10. So now first we will just write this 2 times of square root of 2 as it will be written as square root of 2 plus square root of 2. You know that when we add square root of 2 and square root of 2, then you get 2 times square root of 2. And here we have square root of 3, we write it as it is, plus we have square root of 4, we write this as it is, and we write square root of 5 as it is. And here we have the square root of 5, square root of 6, and plus square root of 8, and plus we know that the square root of 9, we simplify here the square root of 9, and you know that square root of 9 equals to 3, and we know that we will write this 3 as 1 plus 2, and here we write this 1 as square root of 1 because 1 and square root of 1 are same, and plus we write this 2 as square root of 2 multiplied by square root of 2 because when we multiply square root of 2 by square root of 2, then we get 2. So that finally we write the square root of 9 as square root of 1 plus 2 times of square root of 2 plus square root of 2. So we replace this 9 as square root of 1 plus square root of 2 multiplied by square root of 2 plus we have square root of 10. So that in the next step we simplify the terms, and here we just rearrange the terms. So here first we write this square root of 1, and after that we write this square root of 2, and after that we have this square root of 3 and plus this square root of 4 and plus this square root of 5, and plus we have the other remaining terms are square root of 2. So we write here this is the square root of 2, and this is the plus square root of 6, and this is plus square root of 8, and this is the square root of 2 into square root of 2 plus, and finally we have square root of 10. So here we rearrange the terms and we write in two pairs. Okay, so here first we write this pair as it is, and now we focus here on this pair. So now we can just simplify some terms. So if you focus on square root of 6, so we simplify here terms. So we write the square root of 6 as 3 times of square root, and when we separate the square root sign on both of the terms, then you write square root of 3 into square root of 2. And similarly we have square root of 8. So we write the square root of 8 as 2 multiplied by 4 into square root, and when we separate the square root, then you get square root of 2 into square root of 4. And here we have square root of 10. and we write the square root of 10 as 2 times of 5 square root, and when we separate this square root then we get square root of 2 into square root of 5. So now we replace square root of 6 equals to 3 times of square root of 3, square root of 3 into square root of 2. We write square root of 8 as square root of 2 into square root of 4, and we write square root of 10 as square root of 2 into square root of 5. So we substitute all these values in this expression and we write it as, so first we write our first pair as it is, and it will be written as square root of 1 plus square root of 2 plus square root of 3 plus square root of 4 plus square root of 5, and plus, first we have square root of 2, we write it as it is, plus we have square root of 6 and we replace this value and it will be written as square root of 2 into square root of 3. After that we have square root of 8 and we write this square root of 8 equals to square root of 2 into square root of 4. It will be written as square root of 2 into square root of 4, and here we have square root of 2 into square root of 2, and this is the square root of 10. It is equals to square root of 2 into square root of 5. So now here we take common square root of 2 on each of these terms and we write it as square root of 1 plus square root of 2 plus square root of 3 plus square root of 4 plus square root of 5, and here we take common square root of 2 and we get here 1, and we write of this 1 as square root of 1 because square root of 1 equals to 1, and here we get square root of 3 plus square root of 4. Here we take common square root of 2 and we get square root of 4. Here we take common square root of 2 and we get square root of 2. Here we take common square root of 2 and we get square root of 5. So if you focus on this expression and this expression, so these two expressions are same, so that we will take common square root of 1 plus square root of 2 plus square root of 3 plus square root of 4 plus square root of 5. We take common this factor, and when we take common this factor here, then here we get 1, and when we take common this, and here you get square root of 2. And now we simplify this 1 plus square root of 2 and we write it as, here we write this expression as it is, and we can just here just add the, or we can first put the value of, because here we take the denominator and we can first simplify this denominator and we get finally the value of our denominator in this form. And now we back substitute the value of this denominator in the given expression, so that this is the our given expression, and in the start of the problem we take the denominator and we finally get the value of this denominator equals to this value. So we put the value of this denominator here in this equation and we obtain here the value in this form, square root of 1 plus square root of 2 plus square root of 3 plus square root of 4 plus square root of 5 divided by the value of this expression is square root of 1 plus square root of 2 plus square root of 3 plus square root of 4 plus square root of 5 into 1 plus square root of 2. So we get the value in this form, and here you see that this whole expression is cancelled out by this whole expression and we get 1 over 1 plus square root of 2. So now we can just rationalize this expression and we can multiply and divide it by 1 minus square root of 2, and you obtain 1 minus square root of 2 over 1 square minus square root of 2 and its whole square. So this 2 and square root are gone and we get 1 minus square root of 2 over 1 minus 2, and you know that 1 minus 2 equals to minus 1 into 1 minus square root of 2, and finally we get the value is square root of 2 minus 1. So this is the our simplified answer, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.